Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today the tourism ministry announced that Jamaica made 4.3 billion US dollars of tourism in 2024. Now a lot of times when people hear this figure they say, oh, but that money doesn't stay in Jamaica. But a large part of it does. Now Jamaica had approximately 4.3 million visitors. Every person that comes into the island pays a travel tax. They pay it in the ticket. When they buy the ticket, a certain percentage of the price of the ticket goes to the Jamaican government in the form of travel tax. When you go through the airport, you have to pay the government a tax. Those taxes go directly to the Jamaican government. When somebody rents a hotel room, when a visitor rents a hotel room, they have to pay a room tax that goes directly to the government. Then when these tourists are here, they buy goods, they pay GCT over to the government. They support the economy, they buy stuff locally. So a lot of the money stays in Jamaica. So tourism is a major earner, if not the largest earner of foreign exchange in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the money that was made, the 4.3 billion that was made from the tourism industry in 2024. And I just want to point out that with so many more hotels under construction and so many new ones that open in 2024, remember that's more visitors coming into the island, that's more taxes for the government. When they stay at these hotels, that's more room tax for the government. Okay. The Minister of Tourism in Jamaica has announced that the country earned US 4.3 billion from the tourism industry in 2024, welcoming approximately 4.3 million visitors. Despite facing challenges such as aviation disruptions, Hurricane Beryl, and geopolitical issues, the sector showed resilience, finishing the year with a slight increase in arrivals and meeting the projected earnings. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett highlighted that Jamaica is on track to achieve its 5 by 5 by 5 growth strategy, aiming for 5 million visitors and US 5 billion in earnings by 2025. For the upcoming winter season, 1.6 million airline seats have been secured, the highest ever, which could result in 1.3 million visitors. This would represent a 12.9% increase over the previous year. Minister Bartlett emphasized the importance of resilience in tourism management, noting that building capacity to effectively respond to disruptions is key to the sector's continued growth. The strong winter season is expected to set a positive tone for the first quarter of 2025 and the rest of the year. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.